I am back with Anpo the skincare review. This time, I am going to reviewing SKIN1004 Madagascar Centella Probio-Cica Essense Toner. In this video we discuss its benefits, its main ingredients, and how to apply, and then we discuss which skin type can use this. But before starting my video, I request you to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, so you can get notification of my every uploaded video on time. Let's start the video. First we talk about its benefits. This magic toner repairs damaged skin barrier to prevent the evaporation of moisture and provides care for dry sensitive skin, improves the skin smoothness on the forehead, chin, nose and cheeks, as well as the skin around the eyebrows, eyes and mouth. The best part of this toner is that it does not contain any artificial fragrances or colors and is safe to use on all skin types, including sensitive skin. Let's know about its ingredients. This toner contains Centella Asiatica extract, an ingredient that effectively soothes the skin. Second main ingredient is vegan Probio-Cica, Centella fermented with teca, providing care for weak and sensitive skin barrier. It contains powerful formula of 5 different types of hyaluronic acid, its ceramides, phytocholesterol, and fatty acids, replenishes the moisture and nutrients and prevents the evaporation of moisture by repairing damage to the skin barrier. It contains powerful formula of 5 different types of hyaluronic acid, its ceramides, phytocholesterol, and fatty acids, replenishes the moisture and nutrients and prevents the evaporation of moisture by repairing damage to the skin barrier. Now the question is how to apply this toner. Apply an appropriate amount to either a cotton pad or directly on the palm and gently pat to absorb into the skin. Next question is which skin type can use it. As it does not contain any artificial fragrances or colors, so it is safe to use on all skin types, including sensitive skin. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.